Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python for Data Analysis series. In today's session, we will uncover the power of built-in functions in Python. These functions are ready to use and can simplify your programming tasks dramatically. So let's dive in. Python comes with a variety of built-in functions. These functions save your time by providing pre-written code for common tasks. Think of them as tools in a toolbox, ready to help when you need them. Here are some categories of built-in functions we will encounter. First one is mathematical functions like ABS and round. Next we have string functions which is used for manipulating text. We have len, str and format. Next we have type conversion functions. Int, float and bool are the examples of it. And the last category which we are using from day one are utility functions. Input, print and help are few examples of them. In the example, let's look at len function. This function calculates the length of a string, list or other iterable. For example, text is equal to Python programming, and when we print the length of text, this return a value 18 because 18 characters are present in the string Python programming. In the next example, we have max and min functions. These are great for finding the largest and smallest value in a list. For example, we can see the code. Here, these codes give 47 as the maximum and 3 as the minimum. Now let's explore round function. It is a mathematical function that can round number to a specific decimal place. Here is how it works. We can see the code here and the output will be 15.68. The second parameter 2 specifies the number of decimal places. Built-in function not only make coding faster but also more efficient. By mastering this, we will reduce complexity in our code and save valuable time. Let's practice some built-in functions together. We will see how we can use len function. We have the code here which will measure the number of elements in mylist variable. Here when we execute this, this will return 5 as there are 5 elements in the list. Now let's try with a string. Here we can give a string the value hello python and check the length of this string and it's 30. Here 5, 6 and we also can count white spaces 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and exclamation mark 13. Now let's use max and min function. Here we can give a list values. Now when we print the min of values and execute this code, we can see that the output is 12, which is the minimum value in the list values. Here we can also check it for the max function. We can use max and values. Now when we execute this code, we can see the maximum value here is 789. Now let's use round function with and without argument to check how it works. Here we can have a number num. Now when we print round, and here if we specify the number of digits after the decimal, and when we print it we can see that we have the decimal up to 2 places. Okay, what if we don't give any argument here? Okay, so let's take round and num. Now when we execute it we can see that Python round off our num to the nearest integer. We can explore any built-in function using a built-in function which is help. So let's use it. Write help and give the argument print here. And now when we execute this code, This will show us the detailed information about the built-in function print. That's it for today's demo. Practice these functions and explore more using help function. In the next video, we will explore the fundamentals of classes and objects in Python. This is a crucial step in understanding object-oriented programming, so don't miss it. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share with anyone who is interested in learning Python. Thank you and Jai Hind.